So in today's recap, we had a fantastic stream and I called the markets very, very well. However, the volume just wasn't on our side, which is just something that's out of our control and we have to accept. I was able to call gold, pound yen to absolute perfection. Called fantastic entries on GJ that actually ran into a 1-to-9 risk to reward, which is just absolutely phenomenal to be able to call that live on stream for you guys here on YouTube. And now, unfortunately, because there was low volume, as we got the entry, price did mess around for about 15 minutes before the pound news came out. So I decided to close my position at break even. And then as that news came out, pound yen just absolutely dropped to the floor and I missed out on a 9% trade on the first trading day of March. Obviously, it hurts a little bit, but it's part of the game. More importantly, I want to share with you guys why I took the trade and fully break it down so you guys can understand it and join me on other streams where we can take these exact positions any other time. So enjoy today's stream. The structure hasn't changed. A break of a trend line doesn't always mean a break of a trend. So to me, this trend is still bearish. Where would we want to liquidate? These current highs right here. Look at this little double top. Little double top's now being grabbed. So gold is at a very, very make or break level. This is a nice level where gold has the potential, if we get the short set up, to take shorts back down to 1800. She's gone. Nah, Terry, she's not gone yet. No such thing. No such thing. Never think of it as it's gone. It's always going to come back and retest some levels. Always, always, always. You just have to wait for it to find that support and then get the bounces and then look for the shorts again. Like the trade that we took last Friday on stream, this trade here. You know, we could have seen this move down and be like, oh, fuck's sake, it's gone, I've missed the move. But you don't think like that. You get the re-entry and you just take the short again. So never think you've missed a move. There's no such thing as missing a move in trading.
Until you miss the move.
Until you've missed the move, then goes back at 1800. This is why we never think we miss a move. You chase the shorts here, you're back up into drawdown. 15-minute was looking incredibly bearish. You wait for the closures. Look at that wick. This is why I never chase trades. I never chase trades. I never think I've missed a move. I stick to the plan. I wait for closures. GJ, to be fair, yesterday on GJ, beautiful close. Really, really nice close. No real bottom wick to the lows just yet. I mean, there's a little one there. We kind of retested this level, bounces straight back off. I wonder if this is a false pre-London move. Come back up, retesting these levels before, you know, driving back lower. Slowing down nicely. I would like to see how we react once we come up here. I didn't take anything yesterday because it was the last day of the month. I was happy to sit it out, but now I'm back feeling refreshed. I took a small little position on gold this morning in Asia.
When you ring me?
This was a 3 AM for you. Do you want me to start rigging you at 3 AM?
If there's fucking moves like that.
GJ, push up a little bit more and I'll look for some shorts on GJ. Cal, we're like, so correcting up ever so slightly. Just because yesterday's daily close was banging, rejecting 165 beautifully. I want a nice, today to leave a nice top wick around these regions and then the bodies to close like somewhere down here and just have a nice little drive lower and come retest 163 again. Obvious points of liquidity this morning. Probably this high up here of me is of interest. Oh man, another one I was watching here was GA. I was hoping to send in a cheeky signal like this. Missed my ideal entry by 9 pips, but I'm still keeping this one on the radar. Why would I be looking for short, do you say, sorry?
No, where?
Around the regions where we are now, to be honest, just because of the hourly is here, come back up, retest this resistance, and I would consider shorts in this region. See, we had this resistance and we faked out of it, respected it again, and then broke above. We rejected it, so we are at a level now as well. Before this dropped down, we grabbed that little wick. If we hadn't have grabbed that and we had left a double top there, I would be very comfortable long and up into that. But the fact that we pushed down and then we pushed up, grabbed that previous 5 minute, and then slammed back down. I personally will not sell now until we break back below this very minor resistance. Like I say, could come up and retest these levels, grab this little 5 minute high, retest this resistance before then going lower. Having this pre-London push up as well. Yeah, look at that. GJ broken, retesting, ripping higher. Oh, if GJ closes back below this level, I'd like to short. Stop loss would be around 16438. If we get this 5 minute closure here back below this level in 30 seconds, I'm going to be shorting GJ at about 9 pips stop. If we can come back up and get a nice entry. That's not a good enough candle for me to want to short GJ. No. Oh, look at that. Nice 5 minute close on GJ. I'm going to go short on GJ on the break of this low with stops around 12 pips.
On 5 minutes?
Yeah. Sells below though. If we don't break this low, I'll cancel the order. Stop loss above the highs. But the way that this candle just closed so bearish and pulled back up straight away makes me think this could be a nice top wick to drive lower. 30-minute bearish retesting. This next 30-minute could be a nice wick. I'm in. I'm just gonna wait for this 5 minutes close. I'm not gonna do anything until then. GJ is 100% a sell. Oh shit. You heard it here first, boys. We got another double bottom down there as well. Let's see who's right or wrong here, guys. It's not about being right or wrong. Remember, it's all about trading what you see in your perspective. If you see sells, amazing. If you see longs, amazing. No one's wrong. The only person that's right is the market. Always. Doji candle again. I'm out. I don't like this 5 minute. It's just gone bearish doji. I'm not touching GJ until the news now. But I'm out of this. I don't like this price action this morning. We're having nice pushes, but remember, you got pound news in... What time is it in London? Almost 9 a.m. You got pound news in about an hour and 20 minutes. But yeah, overall, GJ could come back down and retest some levels down here after yesterday's close, but there's big pound news, so you don't want to predict too much. Just react to what you're currently seeing. And yeah, 15 minute is looking good. I'd wait for this 15 minutes close, but this is looking good. The many of times that we've traded this setup where the 5 minute closes like that and then gets that retest and then just goes so many times. So when we then close doji, I'm like, yeah, this isn't ready to go, and it's probably just going to range. If I was still in this YouTube fam, I would definitely be at break even. Volume is everything. Yeah, absolutely. We got no volume. We got to manage our trades more aggressively. But if we got volume, the entries that we have, it doesn't stall like this. So whenever you see price stalling around, a level of support and resistance, you have to understand that and just manage it from a neutral perspective and just accept it. Yeah, it's a little bit frustrating that there's shit volume, but that you can't control that. So don't worry about things you can't control. Just manage your position. That's the only thing you can do. Like even if we had held GJ through this, after this bearish push, I would have been at break even. So this wick would have got me anyway. And after that wick, and then another doji candle, I wouldn't have wanted to hold. So although it did hit TP, in my opinion, that's still good management for me. I'm still happy to sit out when it goes incredibly bearish and then doji, bearish, doji, bearish. It sucks to see that happen to you, but for me, it makes me realize this stuff happens. So yeah, it's all part of the game. You just have to understand, was it a good break even? Was it an aggressive break even? For me, this was honestly a good break even. Even if I didn't close here, then I would have wanted this to drive. And the fact that we weren't driving coming into an instant level of support here, it made sense to take risk off the table, because this is the level where this could respect this level. This could be a left shoulder head, right shoulder, and just rip up higher. So until we break this level, then it made sense to take risk off the table. It's just unfortunate there was a lack of volume prior to this move, that we wicked back up one more time, which is, it doesn't happen often. So yeah, for me, this was a good break even. But if you guys took it and you guys still made bank fit, amazing. Very good. 2 trades on GJ back 78 pips with the 2 sells, amazing. And it's as simple as that.